Hey everybody, Jose here with Gold's Gym, Newburgh in Middletown, and I just wanted to share a quick little low-carb, oven-roasted chicken recipe with everyone. I know everyone's been in the house and everyone's talking about trying to stay on a healthy diet and eating the right food, so I just wanted to share something. I love to cook, something that's really yummy and healthy. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually roast these chicken wings. What I've done is I got some Nature's Promise chicken wings from Hannaford. I love this brand. They're antibiotic free, no added growth hormones, and vegetarian fed diet. And I've rinsed them off, and then I put them in a bowl here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil right now, and I'm going to just put enough in here to just coat them. I want to get just a good coating on there. I don't know, maybe that was about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, but I want to just get a good coating real quick, just like that. And then from there, I'm going to just add my favorite spices, and whatever your favorite spices are. This is a little bit of cayenne pepper. I like a little bit of onion powder. You don't have to put too much because we're also going to put, when we make the island coconut curry sauce, that's going to have a lot of the seasoning too. This is organic chili powder, and just going to put a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and a little bit of garlic powder, just like that. And I always like to use paprika to just give them some nice color as well, and always makes them look really pretty. Then I'm going to just give these guys a quick toss. I want to make sure, I always like to make sure all my chicken has good color on it. Got good incorporation, just like that. And from there, I'm going to put them on a sheet pan with parchment paper. That's a big, makes a huge difference. I've tried to do this recipe several times just in a regular sheet pan with olive oil without parchment paper. Parchment paper is great. The chicken wings don't stick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in this sheet pan. This over here. And you want to space them out, of course. And from there, I'm going to put them in I have an oven preheated at 425. I'm going to put them in there for about 20 minutes. And then through the magic of video editing, when we come back, we're going to flip them. All right, so we're back, and we're going to make the Zesty Island coconut sauce for the chicken wings right now. And I have a few simple ingredients. I have a can of whole coconut milk. Whatever your favorite brand is out there. Again, I like Nature's Promise. They actually have a great brand, but Hannaford was out of it. And shout out to Hannaford, just doing their best to provide us with our groceries during this difficult time that we're all going through. But anyway, real simple. What we're going to do is I have a little pot here. I'm going to heat this up just a little bit. I'm just going to scrape the rest of the coconut milk out just like that. And a little stir. We're going to heat this up. You got some Frank's Red Hot sauce. And I'm going to kind of eyeball it too. Just want to give it a little bit of color. Probably put about 4 tablespoons. I'm looking for a little bit more of a red color. Just like that. There we go. And you can add more if you'd like, depending on how spicy you want it to be. I'm also going to add some of the seasonings that I use for the chicken wings. A little bit more cayenne. You know, cayenne's really good for the heart. A little bit of organic chili powder also. And just a little bit of onion powder. Like that. And just a little bit more garlic powder as well. Milk. And then what I like to do also is I like to add just something to make it a little bit like zesty, sweet, that sweet and spicy taste. And so I got a little bit of whole earth stevia and monk fruit combo. I really like this. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of this. Again, this is like optional. You can add more or less. I'm going to just mix that up. And once my chicken wings are done, we're going to put them in a bowl, and I'm going to just pour some of this sauce over the chicken wings. All right, so we're back. Our chicken wings are done. We actually had to let them go a little bit longer than I thought. You know, based on the size of the chicken wings, it really depends. But you're really looking for. We went about 40 minutes, and then you see I got some nice color like that. And from there, and like I said, very easily, we're just gonna place them in here, just like this. And let them drip off. There's really not a lot of grease because it was just olive oil. And they got a nice little crust on them. They came out really good, as you can see. That's really what you're looking for. They have a nice little crust on them, just like that. So they give you that. There. We're going to take this Zesty coconut sauce. I'm going to pour it over them just like that. just like that. Give them a little bit of a toss. Yum. And then from there, we got some, just got some red bell peppers, some cucumbers, favorite veggies off to the side. Gonna finish with a little bit of cilantro, just like that. There you have it. There's some oven roasted chicken wings, a healthy alternative to deep fried chicken wings. Low carb, did it in a zesty coconut sauce and some great veggies on the side. And hope you enjoy it and tell me what you think. Stay strong, stay healthy. Everybody, we're gonna get through this coronavirus. Before you know it, we'll be back at the gym and we'll just keep moving forward. Be well, take care, God bless.